So my tent needed a wee bit of maintenance, so I thought I'd check it out and see what I need to do. Alright, the reason I'm doing this is because I want to check things like these. Because this tent is a wee bit damaged and it's got a lot of things in it that I want to clean out. As you can see, quite heavily damaged. Now that's better. A lot better. So it would probably be better just to replace the tent, or at least replace the fly sheet, but me being me, I'm probably going to try and repair this. So if you have any tips for what I should be doing, please leave them in the comments. And back to it, how it goes.